Hello, this is Eric at Prince George Ford, and we're taking a look at the newly redesigned 2021 Ford F-150 in an XLT trim and powered by a 5-liter V8 engine, providing you with plenty of power for towing, hauling, and 4x4ing. Also coming with running boards down below so you can have an easier time getting in. But let's take a look inside. First, looking in the back seat, where you have seating for 3 spaciously and comfortably, which can be lifted up and out of the way to accommodate any other cargo. And then in the middle, you have 2 fold-out cup holders, a 12-volt power outlet, USB, and USB-C. This truck does also have a remote start, so no need to go outside on those cold mornings to warm up your vehicle. And looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks. Now, sitting in the vehicle with it running and looking at the steering wheel, on the right hand side you have your controls for your center info screen here, where you can cycle through your digital speedometer, your trip information, your driver assistance features and settings, your fuel economy, your eco coach, and comm screen. Moving on to the left, here you have your cruise controls with your lane keeping system and your hands-free phone and radio controls along the bottom. And then moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, and Bluetooth capable, I believe. Only radio and Bluetooth capable, so you do have an option there. You have your Bluetooth phone controls, whatever apps you may have installed, settings for your screen, and some other features around your vehicle, and your general truck features such as driver assistance, towing, and owner's manual. But then shifting into reverse, you do have a backup camera, so you're going to be able to see where you're going and hopefully avoid hitting anything, with dynamic hitch view, so you can zoom in, have an easier time hooking up a trailer. Above that, you have your auto start stop shut off, your camera view again, your hazards, and your traction control shut off. And then moving down from that, you have your media controls and your climate controls. Pretty simple, easy to use. To the left, you have your Pro Trailer backup controller, trailer brake controller, and 4x4 controls with a locking rear differential, as well as your drive mode selector for normal, slippery, deep snow, sand, mud, ruts. Then on the opposite end, you have tow, haul, eco, and sport mode, so you can customize your driving experience quite a bit there. And then moving on to the right, we have a 12 volt as well as a USB and USB-C, and this compartment up here for more storage. And then moving down, you have another 12 volt USB and USB-C here with a shelf where you can put your device while it's charging or something like that. Moving on to your column shifter, which does have select shift, so you can manually shift through your gears, and onto your center console area where you have your 2 cup holders, your center compartment / armrest, and then this does fold up and out of the way to become your 5th passenger seat and 6th seat overall, so plenty of seating in this truck. And underneath that, you even have another lockable compartment for even more storage. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111, or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself, and have a nice day.